Hey, this is Sreehari from Mr. Phone, and today we have the Infinix S5 with us. It's a 4GB, 64GB model. And we're gonna unbox this phone, and the one interesting thing that I see here is a punch hole on the display. So this is an under 10,000 rupee phone. We do get a 6.6-inch display, Infinity O they're calling it, a 4000 mAh battery, quad cameras, 32 megapixel selfie camera in that Infinity O display, 3D face beauty, something that we'll have to check out, face unlock and fingerprint scanner. Now let me actually take this out. Infinix is very kind. That's how they unbox their phones as well. That Infinix wraps their phones up very kindly, and it's very easy to open their box. You don't need like weapons to open the box. It's quite simple. Just pull up the tab and you have the phone out. So now we have the Infinix S5. Let me take that out. Maybe even peel what's, oh wow, it's a nice color. So we have a beautiful color and a beautiful pattern on the back of the phone. There is the 4 cameras. There are the 4 cameras, as you can see. Let's try and turn on the phone. So there it is. While it's turning on, let's take a look at what else we get inside the box. So we have a charger. It is a 10-watt charger if I'm not wrong. Let me check that again. Yes, it is a 10-watt charger. So you have a 10-watt charger in the box. We have a micro USB cable, standard stuff. We have a SIM tool, again standard stuff. We have X Club user manual, warranty card, pretty standard. Then we have a case. Now Infinix has actually been doing some interesting stuff with their cases, but this is not one of them. This is a simple polycarbonate case and it fits well inside the phone. Now the one thing that I noticed right away is just how thin those bezels are. Now for an under 10,000 phone, it's pretty impressive how this looks. Of course there is a bottom chin, but apart from that, the other bezels here, even if I take the case out, I think you'll notice this. It's pretty nice. The Vivo Z1 Pro was the phone that I saw under 20,000 with this kind of a setup, and it is pretty comparable to that. So that's actually a good thing. I actually thought that the bezels would be very thick even around that punch hole, but it's not the case. This is pretty nice. So let me go into the phone. So there we have XOS Cheetah. It's the newest version of XOS, and they've named it Cheetah because it's faster, or at least they've made the effort to make it faster. So let's have the brightness a bit down. Okay? So we have the Infinix S5 here, and the first thing that I do, it's almost become like a ritual. The first thing that I do when I unbox a Techno or an Infinix phone is actually take a look at wallpapers, because that is something these guys do phenomenally well. There's almost no one else in the market that does wallpapers this well. So here we have a few variations of the same wallpaper. Can you see how these small variations make it entirely look like a different wallpaper? There's a black and white. Oh, wow, I really like this one. This one I really like because it's almost like a black and white thing, but there's just a light streak in the middle. That's exact. But there's just a light colored streak in the middle, and it makes it look very beautiful. So I'm actually, and it also hides that punch hole with a very smart dark area in the corner. So we have the Infinix S5 here. Let's actually go into the about phone and show you what all is there inside this phone. So you can see 4 gigs of RAM, 64GB storage, 32 megapixel selfie camera, 16 megapixel quad camera. That's the main standard lens. It's an octa-core processor, 4000 mAh battery, a 720p plus display, and Android P. Now that 720p plus display might be something that you might not like, but I think the display is the main part of this phone, and I think Infinix has done a good job of keeping the bezels down, and under 10K this is a very, very premium look. Apart from that, every other thing inside the phone is pretty standard. We've seen this before. Let's take a look at the camera. So there you go. We have the wide angle camera. We also have a macro lens, so that's nice. We have a macro, we have a wide angle, a standard, and a macro lens, and I'm sure that the fourth one is a depth sensor. So we have the camera here as well. So here are a few samples taken using the Infinix S5. You can see them on the screen right now. Let me know what you think of these samples in the comment section below. Also, let me know if you want us to do a full video review of this phone. We might do that if you guys really want to see that. Apart from that, it's a pretty good package in my opinion, and Infinix is improving year by year in their designs, in the way they produce the displays, everything. I think Infinix S5 is a great upgrade over the S4, and we'll of course get to know how good this phone is once we do a full review for this. And with that, I'll leave you to it. Thank you so much for watching. This was the unboxing and a quick look at the Infinix S5, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.